Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
fish fry.
Fish fry.
You know it. Yeah.
And we have white rice and we have some fried dumpling that my husband made. And I have some onions and carrot with scotch bonnet pepper. You see that?
Special onions.
My special
and
onions.
And this is hot.
Hot.
Yeah.
Okay,
real
guys.
Hot.
So before we dig in, I do want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I hope you like First Lady outfit of the day because you know what? Because I do.
Alright guys, we are hungry. We are going to dig in. These are all snappers, right honey?
Yes, snapper and yeah, all snappers.
All snappers. And I have white rice.
White rice, Key West catch.
Key West catch. Because I have to have onions with white rice. My
festival right here.
that looks really good.
Gotta eat it big. Big.
Now my onions is not for regular people, you know.
Tell them, please tell them.
My onions are hot.
Eat on your own risk with these onions.
For real. Okay? You see the steam? Okay, I haven't tasted yet, so.
That onion so strong when she was making it in the house. Be a cough.
That's how the fish looks, a small one.
Oh no, don't do that. I don't want to show them your small fish.
My fish look good, man.
Good man.
Ooh, yes.
Be careful of the bone, y'all.
Thank you, honey.
So what we do with this, throw some onion in it. Yo, First Lady. Can't make a mistake and go wipe on me, I know.
Yes. Fuck.
First of all, let's go look at that. How does it look? Nice. Oh yeah, something else. Okay.
And 2 times spicy sauce. It's spicy.
Onions.
But this.
Onions. Wow.
Oh.
So jump there more. You have enough that in?
I have my own side, son.
I know.
Ooh.
We all have our own side. I want to eat half of mine. I'm gonna throw a little thing.
A little bit of juice.
Sap it up in there. As the First Lady said.
Stop up. And this fish is so good.
Good?
Very good.
You better not be lying to me now.
No, I never lie. How about your cooking? I'm human.
I'm telling you guys. These are hot. But they taste good though. Crunchy too.
I know my nose gonna run.
Gonna run. Fish, gotta be careful with them bones. They get you.
It's so worth it. You ever tried to
What?
fillet one of the fish? Fillet one of the fish?
No man, I waste fish. Can't waste the fish.
Work too hard for the fish, right?
Yeah, work too hard to catch these fish to go fillet them.
Drive 6 hours.
6 hours to go get fish and come back.
Come back. Spend what, 12 hours there?
A whole day.
A whole day.
To come fillet. No, fillet the fish, man. Dumpling, nice.
I taste one before. Okay, I'm done.
Look how big this fish is. Oh, you put your head over. Look how big this fish is.
Wow.
Look at it. I already dig into it already like a shark. Like a barracuda.
Remember the time we was fishing?
Yeah, and then barracuda come grab up my
The
damn fish.
barracuda, it happened to me so much time. It's so mad. You gotta hurry up. When you catch a fish on the keys, you have to hurry up and wind the fish up because the barracuda will get it. You know?
The barracuda don't play.
Put my fish up so you can see my fish.
First thing, give me the fish head. You know, I love fish head.
I hope you guys are having a great day. We are having a great day so far.
I hope you like the oxtail video.
If you didn't see that video, I'm going to link it up here so you can go ahead and check it out.
First day they did that dang.
And if you're not having a good day, it's okay. The rest of the day will be much better.
Much better, for real. Yep. Look at it that way.
You have to. Right, honey?
Yep. Yeah, going bad. Trust me. It will get better.
Especially if you say it's gonna get better.
Yeah. You gotta exactly. You gotta make it. You gotta make it get better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes my day don't start good, but you know what? We make it good.
My day always start good because I have my kids and my husband.
My day don't start good because I'm not eat my food yet.
That's true. That is true.
Yo, fish nice, huh? And you want to see? If you want to see how we made this dish, it's gonna be in the description.
Watch this video first, and then towards the end, you can just click on the video and watch it. Okay? We make it very easy for you guys to see all of our videos.
Real easy. Wow, honey, kicking, huh?
Honey is, but it's so good.
It is. It is. I don't know.
I don't think you guys realize how spicy this is.
Dumpling it again. Very nice.
And we had the 2 times spicy when we did the
Well,
meatball challenge. And that was hot.
Oh, guys, got a surprise for y'all.
Ooh.
First lady, bring me a page. Now I could comment because I always want to comment. So now you get both of us.
That's right, double the trouble.
Double the trouble. So my name is Richie Greedy Couple. Right, first lady? Again, Richie Greedy Couple. You see my profile. No imitation. Real one.
My husband is not in. My husband doesn't have social media. He's not into social media. He watches YouTube videos.
That's
but
it.
He was like, I want to comment too to the subscribers. So I was like, well, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So you'll see him commenting on your videos or on our videos. He doesn't have a page. He just wants to be able to comment and, you know, interact with you guys.
I feel some type of way. First day alone writing, you know? But first day hook me up. Always hook me up.
But honey, even though I'm writing, sometimes he'll be like, okay, don't forget to say this. Make sure you add this in there. Make sure you comment on this.
Right. Right.
And believe it or not, because YouTube doesn't really keep it in one section where your comments are, sometimes.
Yo, man.
Okay? The pepper?
No, man, the wine punch man kick me.
You okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright.
Yo, the wine punch sneak up on me, man. That's why it's called a wine punch. Continue for a lady.
So because YouTube when my husband makes fried dumplings,
Tell them.
it's porridge I want to know. So good. But so sometimes he would go and he was like, honey, you didn't comment on this one yet. I'm like, I didn't see that one.
I gotta make sure, you know? We don't want to miss nobody.
Right.
Alright?
Right. Trying to take a little bun out.
I don't want to miss nobody, so now I'll be in the comments too.
I already know so Richie can chat, so.
I love chatting, you know. Me have to the finger. That's what they say. But yeah. You know what I'm saying? I want to show some love. First lady. Even though it's the both of us, but I want to say something sometimes, isn't it?
Yeah, because you're your own individual.
Right.
You know?
Yeah. Should I get a piece of the story? I'm gonna get a piece.
Come on.
I hope you like the story I first that he said yesterday.
If you missed it,
Yep.
go check it out. Okay? It was the Oxtail video.
I'll ask you a video.
My nose is on.
You You're really telling himself. That's how you can trick people. Let people tell you everything.
Oh God.
So I'm getting a piece of my story now.
You got mine. Go on, so we can yum.
Alright. I know you like the story. I love the mix up. I know. Stop saying Richie. No, we don't, Richie. I know you do. Okay. Excuse me.
Especially the one random nobody.
Yeah, random nobody. I like mother like eat. I know y'all like this to the video. Alright now, I can't wait. Big up to everybody. Alright. My story like this, my first job. So I was in New York, I was like about 12. So when I was like 12, I was in junior high school. My first job was delivering newspapers. I always wanted that job so bad. Cause you know when we in junior high school, 12, 13, you get your little money in your pocket, you want to buy sneakers. I used to buy all the Jordans. Every sneakers that come out is always Jordans I'm buying. So I said, alright. I said to my mom, Mommy, when I reach this age, I want to get a paper job. Anyway, reach to the age to get the paper job now. The first week. It's nice enough.
You can't tell a story about you.
The first week. The first week I got the job, me and my mother went out there. And this is back in New York. We went out there, she was helping me with the route.
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah, show me how it is. We got chased by dogs.
For
Yes,
real?
I said, you know, real talk. Really, dogs. So remember, I used to live on 222nd, so I went to 224th. Early in the morning, throwing paper, dog chase up. Me and my mother were on top of the car.
For real?
Yeah. So, she kept coming with me, whatever, till I learned to stop doing it myself. So,
sorry, honey.
But not good at me, you know?
Hush.
Still I started learning myself, so I gotta hang up it. I had to make like $50 a week. Being 12, that was a lot of money because you know, basically you just wanted to buy, right first lady, you just want to buy sneakers and stuff like that. And my mother used to give me the rest. So now I'm just start doing the ride by myself. I used to have a little bicycle. Rain, snow, sleet, everything I'm out there. I don't miss no days.
And that's New York now.
Yeah, that's New York.
It's raining, snowing, it's snowing.
I don't miss no days riding my little bicycle, my little paper bag, thrown over, got the papers, wrap it. I used to be a good paper boy too. When I'm doing the paper, I'm riding, swing, swing, swing. I don't miss. If you stand outside, you get hit with that paper. So, anyway, now story I get nice now, cousin. Yeah, I like it. So anyway, now I was doing this paper job for from 7th grade all the way to like about 9th grade, almost 10th grade. There's one particular lady, I remember her name and everything. She was like my grandmother. So I set up my route to like when I finish at her house. I go right home.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, you have to set it up right. So I go from 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, and then come back down. So I dump on Fair House.
That's smart.
So, time you to do my food and part 2, you know, come and carry my food, you know.
Okay.
I'm doing part 2 tomorrow.
No.
Finish it?
You mind?
Alright.
You got something done.
Alright. Mix up you love.
No?
Yeah man, you love the mix up. So anyways.
You can't leave them hanging.
So I'm there throwing paper.
You want them unsubscribed?
I used to love the paper, right? You know why too? Because when it comes Christmas time, I get a lot of money.
Oh yeah.
I get so much money.
Like tips.
I mean, I was good at it. Any job I have, I'm always good at it. I don't play around my job. So,
Yeah, not like
and I
me.
was 12. Not like you, right? So, it's one particular lady. I would say that's like my grandma. So, I end my route there. So, every morning I go, it's a Sunday. I go, I see her, she always outside, I ring her doorbell, she come outside, pick up the paper, and go back inside, we talk for a little bit, and then I go on my way. So one Sunday now, I went back there to do the paper. So I'm riding up now, I seen a girl out there. So in my head I said, damn, this freaking girl go to my damn school. Not knowing that was her grandmother. Story get nice now. So I wait till they go inside first because I don't want her to see me because I don't want she go tell whatever. It's gonna get better. Soon as they go inside, I run, drop the paper, ring doorbell, and bounce. Because I don't want her to see me because she go to my school. And I, you know what I'm saying? Next Sunday now, I'll go back again. Me and the same day, we talk again because, as I said, in my radio, we always talk. She was a very nice lady. Okay. The following Monday, family. Huh? I went to school.
You want to hear this now?
Went to school. Came in looking fresh. Jay's out, because you know. Yo, don't start
You
this.
are cute. You are cute.
Come on, you know I still got a little swag
You
sometimes.
do. You're so cute.
Let me tell my story.
Okay, sorry.
Came in school now. You know how junior high school is now. When you're walking out the hallways, it's crowded.
Yep.
Everybody got their own clique. So I'm walking with my boys now, looking fresh. I heard somebody say, "Hey, my grandmother Paperboy." Family, when the girl said that, hey, that's my grandmother Paperboy. She was with a bunch of girls and then my boys around me and the crowd was crowded. When she said, "That's my grandmother Paperboy," I looked, I said, oh snap.
Wow.
Family, I was so embarrassed because, I mean, it was nice to have a job then, but I didn't want nobody to know my Paperboy. Because, you know, I go to school, you know what I'm saying?
You got a reputation.
Yeah, I got a reputation looking fly, getting my sneakers, but nobody knows how to do the paper. She racked me out so bad, man. I felt so ashamed. I was like, wow. So when she said that, the following week I went back to her house. I told her grandmother. I said, yo,
you a snitch now?
I snitched. I said, yo,
You coming
she
like...
gonna tell people I'm your paper boy. And the grandmother was laughing. And you know what? Up to this day now, me and her, the granddaughter, were friends. And stuff like that. But that was just a short story. I mean, she made me feel embarrassed. Even though I had a job, but I don't want nobody to know I used to do paper. You know what I'm saying?
Back then?
Yeah. But yo, she rapped me out, though. She rapped me out worse than Snitch 9.
Oh my god, you're a snitch now. You leave them alone, man.
But yeah, that was my first job. But, you know what I'm saying? The first lady.
That story was good.
I used to do the paper route till I was in 9th grade, you know?
And why did you stop?
Because remember, I stopped because the guy didn't want to raise my pay, and then I got a better job.
Oh, really?
That's why I went to the Yankee Stadium.
Oh yeah. Because I remember. You said to me that he
didn't want to raise my pay.
He didn't want to raise his pay. I remember he's every day.
7 days a week, people.
Rain, hot, doesn't matter. And you're going to school. You got to get up early in the morning, deliver paper, then come back, get yourself ready for school. That was a lot. $50? When you was 10, fine. But now you're getting older, raise the pay.
You don't want to raise my pay.
And then what? After you got the job at
After I got a job at
Yankee Stadium, then he wanted you to.
Then he want to raise my pay. But I want no paper no more. I'm a big timer now.
Yeah, that's right. You're making big time moves.
Yeah,
right.
big time move. I work at the Yankee Stadium. I work at Yankee Stadium for like about a year, and then at the Yankee Stadium 2 years, and the Met Stadium 1 year. I was making money.
But that's a story time about that too.
Yeah, that's the next story time.
But that's how it always is, guys. That's why we tell you, and we say, don't let nobody stop your grind. Okay?
Yeah.
Nobody. If you're gonna do something, do it. And sometimes you don't have to broadcast it to everybody. Just say, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do, and you do it.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Because what happens is
Preach it, First Lady.
When you don't let people know your worth. Because imagine Richie had just stayed there and just kept on doing the job.
Yep.
He wouldn't have found a better job, making more money. And then after he left, he realized, okay, the other person who he hired was nothing compared to my sugar. So then he was like, well, wait a minute. Okay, you know what? I'm losing money now because this other kid is not doing a great of a job as Richie. I want to get him back, but it's too late. So that's why this girl on YouTube, her name is Lala Milan, and she said that when they tell you no the first time, they're gonna come back around.
Yeah.
They are, because they're gonna realize how great you are. You charge them double, meaning that if they say to you, okay, it's gonna be this much, but I'm not, you know, gonna give you the job.
Yeah.
And then later on they realize, wow, you really blew up. And they come back to you and say, we decided that you are a right fit. Okay, but you charge them double.
Double. They didn't see you before. When you was nobody.
Exactly.
You ain't believing with us before.
Exactly.
But now you see.
Exactly.
That's how you gotta do, family.
Yep.
Don't let nobody stop your grind. Real talk.
They will try.
Yep. My circle right here is small, just me and First Lady.
It has to be.
Yep. That's my circle right there.
It has to be, because and don't let friends try to make you feel bad or whatever by saying, oh, how come he didn't tell me what's going on?
Yeah.
I don't have to tell you everything that's going on.
You don't.
But I don't mind telling you some things, but if I want something to be able to come through, because you have bad mind people out there
Bad mind friends.
who are, right, so as soon as you tell them that something's going on, they pretend like they're happy and they're really not.
Stab you in your back quick.
And they sit there going, oh God, I hope it doesn't work, I hope it doesn't work.
Plotting, yep. Yep, that's what I said before in the live. I know enough of y'all watch. There can't be a strong man without a strong woman. Remember that.
That's so nice, honey.
Richie said that. And any guy say that? Nah. Trust me. But yeah.
This fish is hitting.
Can you eat them food? See? Come here and tell a story, man. I'm not like that. I'm like, eat my food now.
You tell a story and you still finish before me. How that make sense?
Can't enjoy the fish.
Make it make sense.
But yeah. It's my circle right here. My circle, and now y'all. See? Y'all love the stories. That's right. I'll tell you the story. You got a lot of stories. I got another story too. I'll probably tell you on Friday. Don't forget. What, First Lady?
Our grown folks party. We're gonna be partying.
Party Friday.
Come on. What happens? What you gonna tell them?
No, I'm gonna tell them say it's free, right? It's free. It started at 6, but after 6:01, we charging.
But it's gonna be what? Dancing?
We're gonna be dancing, we're gonna be talking, sipping.
Yeah, man, just chilling.
Chilling, just holding the vibes, you know?
Yeah, man.
Corona free, you know? Corona can't come. It's too big.
COVID too big?
COVID too big. But yeah. Just go for what you want to go for.
You have to.
Yeah. Be careful of your friends too.
Yeah. You know, and sometimes, no matter how bad you want a friendship to work,
Yeah.
if it's just not meant to be, it's not meant to be. It's simple. You just keep it moving.
That's true. And I know a lot of y'all can relate to this.
Yeah.
I know. If y'all can, give us a thumbs up in the comment and say, yeah, y'all relate. Trust me, it's out there. Evil people. We sit down and smile with you every minute and stab you behind your back.
Yep. Whew.
Trust me.
You know it's not run.
Now I run, come here, tell a story. That's how we did first, But I hope everybody enjoying their day as always. We enjoy coming and share a little story with y'all and share a little talk. Put your hand. And share a little
story time.
story time. You know what I'm saying? Now you're in our life. In our life, but you're not somewhere else. You want to tell them what we said?
What do you mean? You're being so cryptic.
No, I think I talk too much, man.
Don't tell me because I gotta tell them.
Talk too much. This fish was good though. We couldn't even say how good the fish was.
It was really good. It was really good. It is really good. I mean, still eating it, so can't be was. It's really good.
Yep. I got a lot of stories. I do what? Sometimes I can't tell you because I want to try to eat. First they tell good stories.
So do you, honey. Because I can't believe the dogs them chase you guys like that.
First day, no? It wants to me and my mother ski up on the character.
So, how did you guys get away then? How long did
They
you
left.
stand on the? Oh, okay, they left. Whose dog were they?
Don't know, don't have a clue.
Was that the only time they did that?
Yeah, the only time. That's how we just started off, but that paper route was
Wow.
till that girl snitched on me. I shame afraid. I shame like I was shame family when she said when she just blow me up like that. She gave me on the loudspeaker too.
Did anybody laugh?
Hey, look at the scene. This you a paper boy?
Yeah.
I know you was a paper boy.
Yep, I got a job. I'm buying my sneakers.
I know you was a paper boy, Richie. God damn, this girl messed me up enough. But yeah, my mother always giving her the money.
Oh.
I used to stand in line back there, waiting for sneakers like we're crazy.
How old were you?
I don't know, that was like about. I got a job like I was 12. I was like in seventh grade.
I mean standing in line waiting for the sneakers.
Shit. I did it before I met you too.
I know, but wow.
Stand in line for sneakers. I would not do that again. What I look like.
Do people still do that, honey? No, but I know people still stand in line for iPhones.
New York is New York.
Yeah, New York is New York. It's always gonna be. It's just a different generation now. It's doing the same thing. Are you still going, honey?
Still rolling.
Okay, good.
26.
Okay.
Yeah, this is story time. I say so long.
I don't know, like you eat.
If you like me on First Lady Story Time, let us know in the comments. I know certain. I know. Let her talk, Richie. Let her talk. Let her talk. Let her talk. Let First Lady talk, man. We family. Let her talk. I know. Yo.
Ooh, onions and mine.
Onion body, no?
Hot. My nose.
Again, family, we appreciate all of y'all.
Yes.
Really do.
Definitely.
Really appreciate all of y'all.
We're gonna continue saying that.
Yep.
And we don't keep it tired of hearing it.
Yep.
We appreciate you guys. Thank you
Yep.
so much for subscribing.
Appreciate
Trust me.
y'all a lot. I don't know.
Ooh,
That's it.
I'm full. This is my tongue upon me. But I can't stop eating it. It's so good. Especially with the pepper.
Yeah.
All these red stuff in here is pepper, you know? I blend the pepper. I blend up 8 Scotch bonnet pepper.
Wow.
8 Scotch bonnet pepper I blend up. Whew. And if you know Scotch bonnet pepper, you know it's hot. This is not for everybody.
Not. Yeah, people come here and say they're not come back and they back to work.
You know, my mother, she loves it. She puts when she comes here, she put on everything. Yeah.
Family, we have people come here, and when they try to say, hell no, we ain't coming back. I said, that's right. But wait, the food don't come back. So firstly, this was good.
Delicious.
Another good meal. You know what I'm saying? Let me see who like fish too. Comment up. Look, all the season right here.
You have to season your fish.
All
You
the
have
season
to.
right here.
You see that?
God. All the seasoning. Hear this.
That's to me his favorite part too.
Yeah.
Where all the seasoning is.
The full? First lady? Okay.
I'm full,
Can't turn it.
but I can't stop eating.
Perfect. Don't forget to like, share. We always share with y'all. Comment and subscribe. Appreciate y'all.
And we'll see you guys Friday, okay?
Friday. Huh? We're gonna shell down the place.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
Bye.